Hi everyone, seeing this problem. Here how to find voltage VAB across node A and node B. So in this given circuit, 3 voltage sources are there and 2 resistors are there. So here one loop is there. So in that the current direction was given. So like this. Now first of all write the KVL equation for the given loop. So here current was entering from minus to plus in 20 volts. So it has minus 20 and the voltage in 6 ohms is 6 into the current I, and here the current passes from minus to plus, so minus 30 plus 4 into I, and here current passes from plus to minus, so plus 10, that's equal to 0. So here minus 20 minus 30 plus 10 is there, nothing but minus 40, and 6I plus 4M is plus 10I. So from this we will get I equal to 4 amperes. But here we want the voltage VAB. Here from VAB, here one loop is there. So for this apply KVL. So then we get, so here current passes from minus to plus. So minus VAB plus 4I plus 10 equal to 0. So minus VAB plus 4 into I, we got 4 amperes. So 4 for 16 plus 10, that's equal to 0. So VAB equal to 26 volts. So from the options, option B is the correct option, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.